since the base is not the same, we've got a 3 here. So we've got a 3 here, and we've got a 5 here, we've got 45 here. So we have to try to make them the same. So for example, we know that we can't make 3 the same as 5, so that we can do. But the 45 here, we can write it in terms of 3 and a 5. And then from there we'll do the things. So that's what we'll do. Let's do that. So let's rewrite 45. So what that means is we'll say 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 times 5x to the power of minus 3 over 45. We can write 45 as 9 times 5, all of this to the power of x minus 2. And then again, we know that this guy 9 times 5 can be written as, so we want to match the base at the bottom to be the same like on top, over this 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2 times 5, all this over to raise to the power of 2. Now remember, the first rule that we know for power indices is if you are given to say a to the power of let's say ab to the power of 3, this is the same as saying this 3 must move in, so it's a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 3. That's what it means. Okay, so we know that. So we're just going to apply the same rule here, where we're going to say this power here must just move in here. Okay, so if it moves in, you have 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 times 5x to the power of 3 over, then we move at the bottom, we move on the power, so it'll be 3 to the power of 2 times x minus 2 times 5 to the power of x minus 2. Okay, alright, now we can continue. We know that this here we can distribute it now, so we have 3 2x minus 1 times 5x minus 3 over 3 2 times x minus 4 5x minus 2. But we know the rules. We know the rules that if you are given a times b divided by c times d, this is the same as saying a divided by c times b divided by d. It's the same. You're allowed to do that. You can write it like that or like this. So same there. We can group now. We can say 3 2x minus 1 over 3 2x minus 4 times 5x minus 3 over 5x minus 2. And then the only thing that we have to do now is just to use the power rules, because we've got the same base over this side. So we know that this side we have the same base, and this side we have the same base. Now we can use the power rules, and the power rules that we're going to use here, if you are dividing, you subtract. Therefore this one can simply be written as 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 minus 2x minus 4. Then this side, but remember there's a times, then this side it can be written as 5x minus 3 brackets minus x minus x minus 2, but in brackets. Then here you just have to be very careful. The important thing is this minus here needs to move in, so the signs will change. It needs to move in. You have to be careful, otherwise you waste it. If you're not careful, you're going to waste your time. So it has to move in before you do anything. So how is it going to look like? It will look like 3 2x minus 1 minus 2x there plus 4. This minus here, because there's minus 1, when you remove the bracket here, it becomes plus 4. Same here, it will be times 5 to the power of x minus 3 minus x plus 2. Okay, you just have to be careful. Okay, therefore now we can see that what we have is 3 2x minus 1, then we said there is a minus 2 plus 4 times 5x minus 3 minus x plus 2. So here definitely you can see that that will be here there's x, so this one and this one is 0. 2x minus 2x is 0, minus 1 plus 4 is 3 to the power of 3 times 5. This x and this x go away, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So this means it's equal to 3 to the power of 3 is 9 times 5 to the power of negative 1 is 1 over 5. Therefore your final answer is 9 over 5. Finished. You do this, you're flying.